NASA astronaut Chris Williams returns to Earth after 241 days on islands. On July 26, 2026, a Soyuz MS-28 spacecraft descended through Earth's atmosphere like a falling star, its parachute blossoming above the vast steppe of Kazakhstan. Aboard this capsule were 3 astronauts concluding an 8-month science mission aboard the International Space Station. NASA astronaut Chris Williams, alongside Roscosmos cosmonauts Sergey Kud-Sverchkov and Sergei Mikaev, completed a 241-day mission orbiting the Earth 3,856 times and traveling more than 102 million miles. The landing took place at 5:27 a.m. Central Daylight Time, approximately 3:27 p.m. local Kazakhstan time, southeast of the town of Dzhezkazgan. This marked the first space flight for both Williams and Mikaev, while Kud-Sverchkov completed his second mission. During their tenure aboard the orbiting laboratory, the crew supported a wide range of scientific investigations and technology demonstrations. Williams contributed to research advancing cancer treatments and helped develop improved manufacturing methods for materials used in high-performance computer components and electronics. Perhaps most critically, Williams completed 2 spacewalks to prepare upgrades to the station's power systems and replaced a faulty joint on the Canadarm2 robotic arm, a feat requiring precision movement, coordination, and months of training in the harsh environment of microgravity. The Soyuz MS-28 mission represents the continued partnership between NASA and Roscosmos that has kept humans continuously in space for over 25 years. The crew launched to the International Space Station on November 27, 2025, aboard Soyuz MS-28, and returned in the very same spacecraft model, Soyuz MS-28, a testament to the reliability of Russia's workhorse crew vehicle that has been ferrying astronauts to low Earth orbit since the Soyuz MS-01 mission in 2016. The ISS continues to serve as a unique laboratory for science that cannot be conducted on Earth. Microgravity research on the station has led to discoveries in biology, physics, materials science, and Earth observation. The crew's work includes monitoring Earth's atmosphere, testing technologies for future deep space missions, and conducting experiments that rely on the station's microgravity environment. These experiments have implications ranging from improved agricultural techniques on Earth to the development of life support systems for Moon and Mars missions. Williams's spacewalks were particularly notable for their focus on power system upgrades. The ISS relies on massive solar arrays to generate approximately 120 kilowatts of electrical power, enough to run roughly 60 households. As the station ages, maintaining and upgrading this power infrastructure becomes increasingly critical. Williams's work included replacing a joint mechanism on the Canadarm2, a robotic arm originally manufactured by Canada's aerospace company MDA. This arm has been instrumental in constructing the ISS and continues to be used for capturing visiting spacecraft and assisting astronauts during spacewalks. The 241-day mission included approximately 6,000 orbits of Earth, each lasting roughly 90 minutes. During this time, the crew witnessed over 3,800 sunrises and sunsets, living on a schedule 16 times per day compared to Earth's normal rhythm. Their habitat moved at approximately 28,000 kilometers per hour, nearly 17,500 miles per hour, fast enough to travel from New York to Tokyo in about 45 minutes. Upon landing, the crew underwent post-landing medical checks before flying by helicopter to Karaganda, Kazakhstan, where recovery teams were based. Williams then boarded a NASA aircraft bound for Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas, where he would be reunited with his family and colleagues. The journey home, however brief, marked the end of one of the most productive missions of the current ISS program. The crew's accomplishments spanned from biological research on bone density loss in microgravity to innovative water recycling systems that would become essential for future Mars missions. The International Space Station remains humanity's most ambitious engineering achievement in space, a symbol of international cooperation that continues to expand our understanding of life beyond Earth. As the station approaches its retirement, currently scheduled for around 2030, the research conducted aboard will inform the next generation of space stations and the missions that will follow. Commercial space stations currently under development will eventually replace the ISS, continuing the legacy of microgravity research that has benefited billions of people worldwide. As Williams returns to Earth, he joins a select group of approximately 600 individuals from 60 different countries who have traveled to space. Among them are scientists, engineers, politicians, and everyday citizens who all answered the call to explore the final frontier. The International Space Station has proven that humanity can live and work in space for extended periods, a crucial stepping stone toward becoming a multi-planetary species. The work of Chris Williams and his crewmates continues to light the way forward. From cancer research to materials science, from atmospheric monitoring to deep space preparation, every experiment aboard the ISS brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. The final frontier is no longer distant. It is our home.